Call 1-800-MIND-READER today for a mind reader. You can get one for the low price of $50.99. Each set sold separately.
Call 1-800-MIND-READER to get your mind reader today at mindreader.com. Today we are going to the local lab where a scientist has invented am I hearing that right? A mind reader? Okay then, let's go there now.
Hello, I'm Dr. Happy. I have built a mind reader. It is important in everyday life because it can help you make decisions like what to eat for dinner or how you should spend your money.
Well, how does this invention work now, scientist?
Well, it works by the mixture of ion particles and dark matter.
Poof! No, it's magic.
No, it's science.
Magic.
Science.
Magic.
Science.
Magic.
Science.
Okay, now we will continue to the customer interview.
Hi, I'm Billy.
Hi, Billy. How did you stumble upon this here invention?
I stumbled upon this here invention while I was rummaging through the lab dumpster for my free prescriptions. It works great. It helps me decide what dumpster to go to next or what gas station to raid today.
Well, that's pretty weird, but thank you for your cooperation in this interview.
Call 1-800-MIND-READER today for a mind reader. You can get one for the low price of $50.99. Each set sold separately. If you call within the next 30 minutes, you can get two for the price of 5. Call now. 1-800-MIND-READER today.
I'm so glad I did this story on the mind reader because now it's just so great. It helps me every day, and now I personally own 18 mind readers. Call 1-800-MIND-READER to get your mind reader today at mindreader.com.
Call 1-800-MIND-READER today for a mind reader. You can get one for the low price of $50.99. If you call within the next 30 minutes, you can get two for the price of 5. Call now. 1-800-MIND-READER today. 1-800-MIND-READER. Each set sold separately.